What's the meaning of conversational? Conversational. Conversational.
Conversational. Conversational. Conversational refers to a style of communication that is characterized by an exchange of ideas between two or more individuals. In the context of artificial intelligence, conversational AI refers to systems that can engage in human-like conversations with users in natural language. These systems use natural language processing algorithms to understand and respond to user input in a way that feels like a conversation. The result is a more intuitive and interactive user experience that allows for a more seamless exchange of information and ideas.